Okay, shall we start our session now?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so yesterday we have done reading part, okay? And some of them were still remaining
Yes.
to read. इसका रीड करना बाकी था ना?
Yes.
हाँ, so yesterday till I think Lakhani Narjis tak we have finished. Okay.
Yes.
Lakhani Narjis Fatima, she has not come today. She will come later on. So today we will start from Malik Sahiba Khatun. Okay. Malik Sahiba Khatun is there? No. Sahiba Khatun, are you
सर मेरा
there?
सर मेरा तो हो गया था।
हो गया था रीडिंग? Okay, very good. चलो, no doubt. Panjwani Sakina,
Yes, sir.
your reading is remaining now?
No, sir.
Yesterday you have done the reading?
No.
तो ये तो बोलो रीडिंग बाकी है दोनों में नो नो देन में हाउ वुड बी राइट कल रीडिंग किया था तूने हैव यू डन द रीडिंग
Nahi.
हाँ देन so today we will start from you okay so I'm sharing my screen all of you can see my screen
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
okay huh?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes.
sir.
बोला no sir शायद like this somebody has said no sir
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
okay thank you chalo very good okay again we will start from the first one for the both the days we will do only reading today and yesterday we have done the reading और आज भी हम लोग एक बार रीडिंग कर देंगे ओके यस और नो
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, sir.
ओके देन व्हाट वी विल डू फ्रॉम सैटरडे tomorrow is Friday and tomorrow know what it is tomorrow which day is there
Friday. Friday.
Friday.
on Friday what
Friday.
it is
Friday.
there
Yes, sir.
Friday and Friday what it is there on Friday
Yes, sir.
Cheer.
English you don't know
Cheer.
to speak
Cheer.
so what kheer kheer Can't you speak in English? In English, what we will say this festival?
Kite festival. Kite
Not kite day. That I know that we are flying kite in the sky on our terrace, going on our terrace and we are flying kites. From you, how many of you will go and fly kite? टेरेस पे कितने लोग जाओगे काइट फ्लाई करने के लिए? नो आंसर. कौन कौन जाएगा काइट फ्लाई करने टेरेस पे? Anybody will go or not go?
Yes, sir.
हाँ.
Yes, sir. Go.
Sir.
हमारा अलीना तो जाएगी. हाँ,
Yes, sir.
अलीना जाएगी ना?
Yes, sir.
हाँ सर जाऊंगी.
तो तू उड़ाएगी कि तेरे पकड़ के रखेगी?
सिर्फ
उड़ाएंगे.
पता नहीं अभी.
पता नहीं. फिर पतंग कटेगी तो पकड़ने जाएगी ना?
हाँ.
हाँ, देख सब लोग पकड़ने में कितने माहिर है. फटाफट जाके पतंग पकड़ लेंगे, भागेंगे, छोड़ना है नहीं, है ना?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. Okay, so now let us start with the reading part. Okay. Okay, पंजवानी सकीना.
Yes, sir.
सर
Start reading
आवाज
from
नहीं
the
आ रही है
first.
आपकी.
हाँ? Whether my voice is not clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Your voice is
Yes,
clear,
sir.
sir. Clear.
Very good morning.
सर आवाज आ रही है.
Okay, come on Sakina, start reading. पंजवानी Sakina, fast.
It was a bitterly
Huh?
cold January in no.
It was a
Bitterly
bitterly.
cold January in Nome in northern Alaska. The year was 1925. Some children in the town fell ill and died. The doctor Curtis Welch realized that the man was diphtheria.
Menace was
Menace was diphtheria, a disease
disease.
a disease that can infect quickly and spread from one person to another very fast.
Okay, very good. Second paragraph read कर दल.
At that time, Inuits and Eskimos did not have the ability to fight this deadly disease. The doctor sent a message out asking for medicines. The nearest place from where this medicines could be sent was Anchorage. Anchorage, but the aeroplanes never flew in winter.
Very good. Chalo, now Sakina Panjwani has done reading of 2 paragraphs. Okay, she has read 2 paragraphs. So anybody has doubt in that? क्या सकीना ने कोई गलती की है रीडिंग करने में? ओके, क्या गलती की है बेटा?
वो फुल स्टॉप पे रुकी नहीं.
Very good. First thing is that on the full stop, she was not stopping up. Okay. ठीक है बेटा? सकीना? But whenever you are reading, at
Yes, sir.
that time, if there is a full stop or comma, so what you have to do there? क्या करना है आपको? What you have to do it? Little bit only you have to
रुकना
stop. Little bit means just when we are reading. See, it was a bitterly cold January in Nome, in northern Alaska. The year was 1925. तो ऐसे क्या करना है? You have to just stop for a few moments. Okay? Don't go it fast whenever you are reading. No problem. Okay, very good. Chalo, nice. Nehmat Zehra, start reading.
The governor of Alaska decided on an alternate route, which was
Which
safer.
was
9
safer?
kilograms of medicine, 9 kilograms
चलो
of
ये तो रीड
medicines
करो
were
बेटा.
sent
Which
by
was
train.
safer?
Which was safer.
हाँ.
9 kilograms of medicines were sent by train to a place called Nenana.
Ninana.
Nenana. Science Nome was 1,000 kilometers away from Nenana. It was decided that the medicines would then be transferred to Nome by 10 Alaskan dogs led by their mushers. They did want to rely on machines, given the uncertainty and
Urgency.
the
Urgency.
urgency and the
Terrible.
terrible weather. It was going to be
Huh?
similar to a relay
Similar.
similar to a relay race, where one batch of dogs would run for 100 miles and hand the medicines over to the next group for the next 100 miles, and so on.
Very good. Chalo, nice. Sama Tainiyat. Sama,
Sir.
start reading the next paragraph.
Okay. The journey was made by 20 mushers and ground 150 dogs. The first musher to coolest
Collect.
the medicine
Not
from
collect. 1 minute, beta, 1 minute. When I am
collect.
stopping, when I am telling you no, this spelling is wrong, that time you have to stop it. Okay? So
Yes.
the first measure to collect, not collect, it is collect.
Uh, co- collect collect the medicines from Ninena on 27 January was Bill Shannon lead by his dog.
By
His
his
dog
dog.
by his dog Blackie. The medicines then passed hand through ice and snow. Hypothria, hypoth,
Hypothermia.
hypothermia, uh, frostbite, and
Frostbite.
other
Frostbite.
frostbite
Ah.
and other injuries. It, it reached Henry
Ivanov.
Ivanov, however, uh, Ivanov too ran into trouble when his team ran into
Ran
a
into a reindeer.
reindeer and got tangled
Tangled up.
tangled up. Just then, Leon Sepela
Suppala.
came in from the north. He was the fastest musher and known for covering the toughest
Toughest terrain.
terrain.
Okay, very good. Chalo, nice. Little bit spelling mistakes are going on, beta. So what you have to do? You have to improve it, okay?
Yes.
At home also you have to do the reading practice. Daily, when you
Yes.
are doing the reading, you do reading of any other books also, or you can take some story books also, and don't leave the reading practice. Okay, beta? I'm telling to all of you, not only to
Yes, sir.
me. Okay, very good. Chalo, Lezin, Vasaya Lezin,
Yes, sir.
start reading.
Yes.
Start from here.
Lavanov handed the
Ivanov.
medicine.
Ivanov. Beta Ivanov. It is Lavanov. It is
Handed
Ivanov. बेटा इवानोव तो बोलो
Livanov
बेटा हाँ
Ivanov
handed
handed the medicine over to him. Se- Sampala then ran
Epala Epala
towards Sampala then ran towards the north, fla-
fighting
fig- figuring a raging blizzard.
blizzard.
His lead dog was 12-year-old Togo. The biggest challenge in front of Livanov and Togo was to cross the freezing
To cross
sea.
to cross to cross. It is not across. It is cross only बेटा
Cross
ये नहीं.
cross the frozen sea. The
Hmm.
ice hand started to crack and the
Entire team
entire team was stuck on an ice fall. Togo, de- Togo
decided.
decided to jump across the freezing water.
Okay. Read करो.
Balto
हाँ हाँ. Palto. What is where is this paragraph? The harness
the The harness broke as Togo jumped into the water, but Togo took the harness in his mouth and pulled the ice
pulled
fall
the
together. Pulled the together
ice flows
together
together
ice flows together into it was safe
until
for
it
the
was until it
un,
was
until it was safe for the rest of the team of jump. They reached the next team led by
Charney
Cyril
Olsen.
Cherry Olsen on 1 February, who
Hmm.
passed the medicine to Gunnar
Kunal
Carson.
Kasan,
Gunnar Carson, his team was going to be
led
by
by
Balto.
Balcho.
Led by Balto.
Okay, very good. Chalo, Iram. Zaidi Iram. Zaidi Iram. Are you there or not? Okay, anybody is there to now remaining for reading?
Yes, sir.
सर
रीडिंग
यस
में कौन बाकी है?
मैं
सर, मैं अजरा बतूल।
सर मैं भी
Okay.
बाकी हूँ याजिर
1 minute, 1 minute. Okay. Azra Batul is renamed. बेटा now only तो you read Azra Batul. अभी तो तूने read किया.
नहीं, वो तो लेजिद ने किया।
Okay, no problem. चलो, just a minute. Let me take the attendance. Again, I will come back. Okay, just a minute.
ओके।
Let me see who has joined. I have to write the names also. Kuresh Yaksha, Gadia Sukun. Okay, just a minute.
Okay, sir.
Gadia Sukun, Sundrani Konen. Okay. Raujani Sakina. Rajani Narjis. Merchant Zahra. Dakhani Iffat. Okay, anybody is there now to write the name?
यस सर
Who is remaining? Abeli Shifa. Fatwani Elham name has come. Malik Saiba Khatun has come. Zaidi Iram. Zaidi Iram.
Yes, sir.
Zaidi Iram is there.
Yes, sir.
Start reading.
Sir, first paragraph, second paragraph.
Balto was a 3-year-old from there. Second last paragraph.
Balto.
Near the meaning. मीनिंग बॉक्स के पास. मिला के नहीं? Iram, did you got or not?
No,
Just a minute, wait. Got it or not?
yes, sir.
मिल गया?
Yes,
Okay, then start reading.
but Balto.
Balto was
Balto was. Balto.
a,
सर आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही।
बेटा whatever my voice you speak, आप बोलो, मुझे मेरी आवाज नहीं सुननी है बेटा, you have to speak it। चलो रीड करो फटाफट, फास्ट फास्ट, स्टार्ट रीडिंग। Not able to read? Very poor beta, very poor। Let it be, chalo। Azra Batul, start reading।
Okay, sir. Balto was a 3 years old dog who had never led a team before. In fact, he had only worked to transport supplies to miners and
Minors, minors, not minors, it is minors।
was considered a scrub dog, which meant a slow working dog.
Continue।
Okay, sir. A blind blizzard began dropping temperature to 50 degree Celsius,
Minus 50 degree
-50 degree Celsius, and
Celsius,
wind
Celsius,
Celsius and wind
gust,
gusts at
gust
over
बेटा, gust नहीं है, gust है।
gust at over 50 miles an hour.
Miles, 50 miles an hour।
Hour.
Okay, very good। चलो कौन? सुंदरानी
Yes,
कौन
sir.
है? Start reading।
Karukasi
Gunnar
Khasan found himself unable to
unable, unable,
unable, unable to navigate and almost give up
almost
all
gave
hope
up
of making it to now
it
in time,
from
but
it to
Balto
know, 1 minute, 1 minute beta, what you are reading? Of making it to know,
of making it to know in time, but Balto knew the
Balto knew
travel.
the, Balto knew the
Balto knew the travel
trail,
will
trail,
train will and
well,
following his
instincts,
instinct lead the team through the cold and
no।
snow.
Okay, very good, chalo, nice। Next is Merchant Zahra, start reading the paragraph।
The next 20 hours and 50 and 15 is by Tollies of dead dogs slowly on 2 February at 5:30 the team arrived. The dog, the dogs were tired to
Too
even
tired,
break, too tired to even
bark,
but bark, but but Stadium, but the stadium had sufficiently
successfully
successfully successfully been delivered on delivered only 7 days after leaving encourage and
encourage
just encourage and just a little people more than 127 living in Nana. The
Okay,
press had
127 hours after leaving Ninnana. Okay, very good. Chalo, nice. Anybody is left now for reading?
Yes.
Yes, sir. मैं बात
What is your name?
सर मेरा भी बाकी है
What is your name?
राजानी नर्चिस राजानी नर्चिस
Rajani
चराली जी
Narjis.
नर्चिस
Okay. Come on, start reading.
कौन सर मैं
Rajani Narjis.
Yes, sir. The press had been following the story for days and named it the Great Race of
Mercy.
Mercy. Balto and the team instantly become famous. Balto appeared on
Appeared.
the
Appeared.
appeared on the front cover of newspaper all over the world and shortly afterward appeared in a short Hollywood film titled Balto's Race. To name Cassin took Balto and the team on nationwide tour.
Nationwide tour. Nationwide tour.
Nationwide tour. The tour concurred
Concluded. The tour concluded.
with a life-size statue of Balto being unveiled in New York City's Central Park on 17 December 1925. Balto's
Okay, very good. 1925. Okay, very good. Chalo. Now who is remaining last?
Thank you.
Langda. Langda Aisha. Langda Aisha.
Yes, sir.
Start reading fast. Come on, fast, fast. Not there.
Balto's good
Fortune was
fortune was short live
lived
lived through he was sold to a
company
company which kept in him in
misery
misery and used him for dog shows around the country. Later, later on, someone discovered his
flight
light and
rescued him
rescued him as
and
and
his
him must
mates
meets the team was sent to the Cleveland Zoo.
Zoo. Okay. So beta, here we are ending up our session, today's session. Okay. In the next session on from which day? Saturday. Tomorrow it is holiday, you know. So on Saturday we will meet. Okay.
Excuse sir, holiday.
Tomorrow that is Makar Sankranti, beta. Tomorrow Makar Sankranti is there, no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You will come to class?
No,
आप
sir.
आओगे
No,
सब लोग?
sir.
No, sir.
तो मैं कल क्लास रखता हूँ, चलो रखूँ कल क्लास?
No, no.
No.
No, sir.
कल क्लास रखनी है मुझे। कल तो मैं रखूंगा, देखो लिंक भेजूंगा, सब ज्वाइन हो जाना।
No, sir. No.
Then okay, so tomorrow we'll meet it on Saturday, and Saturday we'll start with the grammar part. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, चलो लेफ्ट हो जाओ बेटा।
Good afternoon, sir. Bye bye.
Bye,
हाँ
sir.
बाय बाय, जल्दी जल्दी फटाफट। खुदा हाफिज, तुम्हारा नेक्स्ट क्लास का टाइम हो गया है।
खुदा हाफिज, sir.
हाँ खुदा हाफिज।
Well.